want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. I don't know what's the New Link there and from New Link Production, giving thanks to life as usual. Well, people, boy, I tell you, some things are going on a yard there right now, people. And I tell you, say all type of disruption and consumption are going on in Jamaica now, you know. You understand? And this are the reason why we see so much of them evilous virus and something are come develop from people. Because when New Link gonna talk about this thing now, people, about an incident, we reach New Link that took place Monday gone, people. You understand? Where a 22-year-old is now in police custody for the murder of a 21-year-old. You know what I mean? Up a place in a St. Andrew, people. And me I tell us now, people, boy, only just easy knows. Well, people, these two age group, you know, both of them, two female. You understand? News I reach New Link say, yo, one of them a tomboy, and one of them was, you know what I mean, straight and something, and a dispute go down where, boy, the 22-year-old used a knife, people, to stab the 21-year-old. You understand? Residents in the community comes a boom now and rush the 21-year-old carrier hospital, and while she undergoing treatment, people, she not make it, she drop out. Quick police come and carry the 22-year-old people and have her in a custody. You know what I mean? But all me ask my viewers and my subscribers, with the knife and them thing there in a times like now one day, you know what I mean? We think at time now when people should have kind of build, if you think a way out of this situation we're in, instead of you use crime and violence against each other right now. No matter if a couple them, if them together or something like that, you get me? I say, but come on, man, you can't box down and kick down all me ask. But the box down and kick down something there if you don't want to fight there or something. You know what I mean? But if you take a knife and stab somebody, two young people in a life destroying, because one dead, you know. One a got prison, you know, people. Two life destroy, you know, two young female, you know. You understand? Come on, man. Come on, yo. Girls and boys and everybody, you know, wise up now, man. You understand? You know, can't make the thing look so. Eh? A job we want in a times like now when we not so what go on. Look at this now, people. Somebody said to New Link, say, New Link, the world is going to end, you know. What do you think New Link can say? Why? I can't tell the person say where I must say no go so. I think me can say that because to where things look now, people, honestly, how you look to now. If this thing should continue like how it continue, people, if y'all want 3-4 months, what go on in the world, you know. Look how the thing arise up there in Jamaica right now. Serious thing, people, not joke thing. Look how the thing arise up. Me say my viewers and subscribers, all me can tell you people, a serious thing I go on. Not joke thing. You understand? I hear a little sound out there and I looking because I leave that window open while I'm doing my vlog. And I hear like a toad. Tonight one jump on me too, you know. And show my rooster and even my rooster sleep and my rooster that attack you in the night, you know. You understand, you told? Stay in your lane. When I see New Link I do the vlog, them nobody come because you are not part of the thing. Only the rooster and my little dog out there. So my people, all me I tell you is, yo, a serious thing I go on. You know what I mean? The time when I take to go build this angry and vibes and war inside down on the need to flush it down and get one Bible and go read couple Psalms. You know what I mean? That I want to need right now, couple Psalms and pray to the Almighty. Because in the end of people need for the doctors that can count and you know. Listen everybody what tell their COVID-19 recovery story and listen when they got the doctor what them say. What the doctor say to them. The doctor make them know straight up say, yo, I know we are going to heal you know. It's your body have to heal you know. It's not we, you know, not the doctor heal nobody, you know, people. The doctor will give them some pill can ease down the pain and everything, you know. You know what I mean? But it's your body have to fight that and recover that yourself, you know. And when a situation like that, people, who you have to call upon? The Almighty. So it's the people out there who have faith and trust in the Almighty and believe in the Almighty. I'm sorry for someone still, you know. Because we need Jah. You know what I mean? No matter what you are doing in life, you need the Almighty. No matter what. You get me? I say, I can't tell no one how to live them life, how to choose them life, you know what I mean? So in the end, people we know say a two man and them say the two of them together and something together and thing, you understand, which that a feed them life, but all me I say them could avoid the situation of using the knife against each other and kill each other, you know what I mean, and kill the other one people while the other one they are prison. You get me I say, because when I check it out people, you know, I can't look up and give her something to, you know, people. Maybe you give her, she give her the pum pum, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, maybe I give her, she give her the pum pum or something go down now. You know what I mean? And then argument start, or maybe she feels that somebody lost her for the pum pum in a quarantine, or maybe she want the pum pum in a quarantine and she not get the pum pum in a quarantine, people, and she lock off the pum pum in a quarantine and everything set away right now, people, because, you know what I mean? And I just say start from, it can start from many angles in my viewers and subscribers. But in a times like now, when them are telling us if you stay away from people, stay out of public place, stay there so standing on a lane, people still find it hard to learn. You know what I mean? People just find it hard to take with themselves out of this bag of crowd thing. People, I don't know what's wrong with people nowadays. You see me in your link, let me tell you this. I love my life, you know, people. I love this life that the Almighty bless me with. And to be honest, people, me I do everything to protect my life. Everything well, you know what I mean? But in the end, people, only person me have faith in through this thing, me not have faith for no vaccine or bill or nothing. It's the Almighty. So you see all of who out there with the angry and want to fight and make fuss and war and everything, put no trust in the Almighty and faith in the Almighty. And it will resolve on out of them situation they want in, because the devil will find ways, you know, to come inside on, you know, when I'm stirring up, you know, because most people nowadays, people, they might get some mentally breakdown right now, and then a joke thing. Because people been thinking, you know, enough people in a depths right now, and they might think rent will pay. They don't know when they might go back to work, zine. Government give them a look of money, how much money so. Plus they have other bills that come on same way, you know what I mean? I saw the things setting up people. Plus they know, so even though people not go to school and thing, but they have to prepare, they might think over prepare themselves, you know what I mean? And they don't know when. It's not like a man can come tell us, say, yo, you are going to, you know, say tomorrow or next week. Nobody know next week or next month this is going to. Nobody knows. Not only, yo, a serious thing in the people. A serious thing. You know what I mean? But them say after a storm, there must be a what? Okay. So it's when the calm come, just want people to realize this. Prepare yourself for another one. Don't just think about this one. We know it's my topic, basically it's something I talk about people and I'm gone over my time, you know what I mean? But I just want to put in some message to people out there. Because I'm only I do the vlog them, you know, people. You want some positive message go out the same way with the vlog, you know, where people can adjust to and learn, you know. You know what I mean? That's on the link do it, you know. That's why we don't even say boom. But attack. Well, back to that topic, then you link attack. For the woman who stab the woman, the girl who stab the girl. Straight attack for you. Fix your case, the rest of that new link come back here. So, well, Zane, time for people realize, learn something new, prepare for the rainy day. A lot of people intend so them not prepare for the rainy day, then just live for today. You understand? And live like there is no tomorrow. But now this is something. They get me as a people, prepare yourself and know these people in this world right you know. Yo, as me telling you, there's several more did if come. You get me? I say, we in this time where we experience, we lose so much loved ones, people, and it's sad, you know. It really sad, you know, yo. And on a joke thing, you know, people. When you're looking at United States of America and them and make you know say over 30,000 people gone, you know. Yo, Jaja, hail a new link, oh my bro. Yo, people, a serious thing. Not joke thing. You understand? It's really scary. It's tough. Just imagine people who live in New York now, how them feel. Just imagine the people in New York now, how them coping with these people, knowing that this thing may be banging at your doorstep, may be banging next door to you. Just imagine living in the city of New York, even though it's shut down, everything locked down, where they have over much thousands of people are dead people. Just imagine, not saying New York, in England said we, Canada. Yo, it's crazy, people. We have in the Caribbean alone over 6,000 going, over 7,000 right now we reach cases of COVID in the Caribbean alone. Just with Caribbean countries them. Going over 2 million in the world, people. This thing is so, yo, Just by listening to the experience with me, I hear nobody who get this thing come back and say something like, so yeah, so this thing really hard like that. Everybody have a real cruel story to tell about it. You know what I mean? Kind of the end, people, it is serious. No joke thing, it is really serious. So more just do and the people I'm out there if you understand. Listen here. So this thing is no joke thing. It's a serious thing. And preparing yourself for the worst. You know what I mean? Them say the worst gone, but to me people, it not come yet. So for now, put on the crime. Put on the violence. Even when this done, we don't want no crime, we don't want no violence, we don't want a domestic dispute. We want everybody to live good as one. Because at the end, we are all one Jamaican. We are one nation and we shall stand tall. And the whole Caribbean and the whole world too, you know. So from them time until now, peace out. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so when you link chop a video, you will pop them up. If you hear some sound in the background at the end, yeah. It's a movie room that's all play. You understand? Because I left the big old something there on, flat screen, something there on, and you play, they turn it on. But you know, so sometimes that the movie, you want to look a scene, go kick off with your man, maybe about 2 shots and bugger exaggeration, surround system, everything. So you just come pitching a man. But you don't know people. Big up on yourself. I'm going to deal with that all now. Peace out. Respect.